Yo, what's up everybody? It's Frugal Focus here. We are living in the future of food. Remember when a microwave was peak kitchen tech? Now we've got fridges that tell you when you're low on milk and ovens that preheat with a tap on your phone. This tech is changing the game for healthier eating, saving time, and being more sustainable. Imagine your fridge helping you plan a meal based on what's about to expire. So today, we're breaking down all things smart kitchen tech. From cool conveniences to impacts on our health and the planet, we're diving deep. First up, let's talk about the heart of the home, the kitchen. Smart fridges with touchscreens, ovens controlled from your phone, and voice assistants that read recipes while you chop veggies. It's like having a sous chef built right in. This tech isn't just about looking cool, it's making our lives easier and more efficient. Imagine your oven preheating as you're driving home, or your fridge suggesting recipes based on what you have. Who doesn't want to feel like Tony Stark while they're whipping up dinner? Now let's talk about how smart tech is changing the way we eat. Apps can track your calories and macros with insane accuracy, some even using your phone's camera to analyze your food. These apps can analyze your nutrient intake, tell you if you're deficient in anything, and suggest foods that align with your health goals. It's like having a personal nutritionist in your pocket. Wearables like fitness trackers can sync with these apps, giving you a holistic view of your health and nutrition. It's all connected, people. Nobody actually grocery shopping, right? But smart tech is changing that too. With online grocery delivery apps, those days of wandering aimlessly through aisles are over. These apps use AI to learn your shopping habits, suggesting items you frequently buy, and creating personalized shopping lists. You're less likely to make those spur-of-the-moment purchases when you're shopping from the comfort of your couch. Chapter 4. Sustainable Bites, Tech Fighting Food Waste. Sustainability is crucial, and the food industry is a huge part of that. Smart tech is stepping up to the plate with vertical farms, AI-powered systems, and lab-grown meat. It's about using technology to create a more sustainable and secure food system. Smart fridges can help reduce food waste at home by reminding you what's about to expire. Every little bit helps, right? Chapter 5. Level up your cooking game. Sometimes cooking can feel like a chore, but smart kitchen gadgets make it easier and fun. Instant pots, smart slow cookers, and high-tech air fryers are game changers. These devices often come with built-in recipes and cooking guides, so even beginners can whip up a restaurant-quality meal. They take the guesswork out of cooking and allow you to experiment with new cuisines and techniques. Imagine starting dinner while you're still at work, or having breakfast ready to go as soon as you wake up. Chapter 6. The future of food is here. Smart technology is transforming every aspect of how we eat, from cooking to grocery shopping. It's making our lives easier, healthier, and more sustainable. Are you excited about the future of food? What smart kitchen tech are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Frugal Focus for more videos like this. From smart refrigerators to AI-powered apps, technology is changing the game. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with all things Frugal Focus. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay focused, stay tech savvy, and keep enjoying the future of food.